Today I'm craving something soft and sweet. Mio, come here. Shall we make mochi today? I mix the sweet rice flour, powdered sugar, and milk or water, then add pink coloring and a little rose syrup. I strain it to make the mixture completely smooth and silky. I pour the mixture into a pan over low heat. It thickens gradually, and once it comes together, I add the butter and stir until smooth. I dust the work surface with starch and place the warm dough on top. I put on gloves and knead the dough gently and evenly. It becomes soft, stretchy, and delicate, just like a little cloud. I place the dough in a bowl, cover it, and chill it in the fridge. Now it's time for the ice cream. I scoop small balls and place them on a tray. I take the chilled dough out, place it on a starch-dusted board, and divide it into small pieces. I place the ice cream ball in the center, seal the edges, and flip the mochi smooth side up. I place the ice cream ball in the center, seal the edges, and flip the mochi smooth side up. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.